In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to MetaMask. So in this tutorial, I will show you how this works with Ethereum, but you can use any other crypto as long as it's listed on MetaMask. So what you need to do is you need to go to your portfolio tab at the bottom left, and then from here you need to click on this network thing at the top left. And once you do that, you will see some networks, and this is really important for the transfer because the network you select in here needs to match on Coinbase as well. So I'm just going with Ethereum in this tutorial, so I'm going to select the default mainnet network as well. And after I'm going to click on this transfer option down below, and now at the bottom I'm going to click on receive crypto. So now it is on the Ethereum network, I can see that on top again, and I'm just going to copy this to my clipboard, and now I'm going to open Coinbase to paste it in. Once you are in Coinbase, go ahead and click on transfer at the bottom right. From here, go ahead and click on send crypto. And now you need to paste in the wallet address in here. Once you have that done, go ahead and click on this thing down below. And here you need to select the crypto that you're transferring. And in my case, that is Ethereum. Now select the same network as you just did on MetaMask. So I did Ethereum, so I need to select it again. And now enter the amount that you want to transfer. And after, go ahead and click on preview. Because I'm in the EU, I need to fill in this as well. So go ahead and click on self-custody wallet. And if you're sending to yourself, check this box, and otherwise fill in the recipient's full name and residence, and after go ahead and click on continue down below. And here you will see all of your transaction details, so check if everything is alright, and after click on send now at the bottom. And as you can see, we have successfully sent our Ethereum, so now we can just click on done at the bottom. And as you can see, the transaction is now pending, so let's open our MetaMask to see if it's already there. I can see that my balance has increased, so I know that the Ethereum is there, and I can also see it down below. And it transferred almost instantly, so that's a good thing. And it transferred almost instantly. So that is it for the video. I hope this video helped you out. So now you know how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to MetaMask. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I will see you in the next one.